Alright guys, in this new series, Working Efficiently with Microsoft 365, I will be discussing how to properly utilize some of the Microsoft 365 tools for efficient collaboration. Starting with meetings, I'll discuss, should you meet? So yes, so is the meeting necessary, or can it be a message, a Teams chat, or an email? How to properly plan your meeting, how to schedule meetings using the tools that are available to you, how to configure meeting settings depending on what you're trying to achieve, how to join a meeting, and then we're going to move to using OneNote within Teams and also using Microsoft Planner within Teams. This promises to be a good one, so stick around and let's learn. Thank you. Okay, starting with the first one, should you meet? So you need to consider the value of the meeting. Does the meeting have a clear agenda? And is there really any use for having this meeting? Is this something that can be written down in an email or Teams message? Can you send that to them and will it be as efficient as a meeting? So those are the kind of things that you want to consider when thinking about setting up a meeting. Many times people find out that they've attended a meeting that could have easily just been an email. You don't want people leaving your meeting feeling like that. So that's why I put that as the first point. You need to consider if the meeting is important in the first place. I'm not going to be covering physical meetings in this class or in this course. I'm only going to be covering the digital meeting, and that's using Microsoft 365. So Microsoft 365 meeting platform is Teams. If you are using Microsoft 365 in your organization, then you definitely would know Teams.